Unbelievable shifts are happening behind closed doors in the world of micro-drone technology right now. And if you thought compact aerial photography had reached its peak, what industry insiders just leaked about the upcoming DJI Neo 3 changes everything you thought you knew. Drone enthusiasts and casual content creators across the United States have been following every whisper from prototype testing facilities, and the latest details surfacing from overseas component suppliers suggest that DJI is preparing to shatter every limitation that previously held tiny pocket drones back. We're talking about a complete hardware overhaul that bridges the massive gap between ultra-lightweight selfie flyers and cinema-grade, high-end aerial platforms. For months, engineers have been secretly refining a design that promises to redefine portability, flight duration, automated tracking, and visual fidelity all in one unbelievable package. If you have been holding out on upgrading your current gear or waiting for the ultimate palm-takeoff drone that does not compromise on image quality or safety, this breakthrough leak is something you simply cannot afford to ignore. Every single feature being tested on these early units points toward a fundamental shift in how creators capture short-form content, cinematic vlogs, and immersive action sequences. Stick around as we dissect every verified leak, early patent filing, and supply chain report to reveal what makes the DJI Neo 3 the most anticipated micro-drone launch of the entire decade. To understand why the DJI Neo 3 is generating such an unprecedented level of hype, you first have to look at what made its predecessors so insanely popular and where they ultimately hit a physical ceiling. When compact palm-sized drones first hit the market, creators instantly loved the convenience of launching a camera directly from their hand without carrying a massive backpack or spending 5 minutes unfolding arms and calibrating sensors. However, the compromise was always clear. Smaller bodies meant tiny camera sensors, limited dynamic range in tricky lighting, weak wind resistance, and flight times that felt like they ended before your shot even began. Early leaks surrounding the Neo 3 reveal that DJI's primary mission with this iteration was eliminating those classic pain points without adding bulk or breaking regulatory weight thresholds. By redesigning the internal chassis and utilizing next-generation composite materials, engineers have managed to optimize thermal efficiency and structural integrity, allowing for far more powerful internal hardware while maintaining that ultra-lightweight form factor that creators depend on. The biggest centerpiece of these leaked specifications centers around the camera module, which represents a massive generational leap for drones in this specific class. Insider supply chain reports indicate that DJI is introducing a significantly larger image sensor, moving away from the smaller optical formats of the past to deliver incredible low-light performance and true dynamic depth. Photographers and videographers know all too well how frustrating it is to shoot during sunset or in dimly lit indoor spaces, only to end up with noisy, washed-out footage. The new sensor structure inside the Neo 3 prototype is engineered to capture substantially more light, giving footage a clean, rich, professional look right out of the camera. Furthermore, rumors indicate support for 10-bit D-Log M color profiles, which is huge news for editors who want total creative freedom during post-production color grading. Having that level of color depth on a drone small enough to fit inside your jacket pocket means it can seamlessly match your aerial shots with high-end mirrorless camera footage without any noticeable drop in visual quality. Resolution ensures that your horizon remains perfectly level regardless of how violently the drone tilts in midair. This means every clip recorded on the Neo 3 looks like it was shot on a high-budget Hollywood cable rig rather than a pocket-sized flying camera. Flight performance and battery technology have traditionally been the Achilles heel of micro-drones, but the Neo 3 leaks suggest DJI has found a way to rewrite those rules entirely. Multiple prototype reports highlight new high-density battery cell chemistry paired with a far more efficient power management system. Instead of the stressful 10 to 15-minute battery warnings that force pilots to constantly rush their shots, rumors suggest a target flight duration exceeding 24 minutes on a single charge. That extra airtime completely changes the psychological experience of flying. Pilots get more time to scout locations, frame up the perfect composition, execute complex automated orbital moves, and land safely without hovering in panic. Combine that extended battery life with a redesigned charging hub capable of rapid multi-battery topping, and full-day shooting sessions become completely seamless for content creators on the go. Safety and obstacle detection are receiving an equally impressive modern overhaul, according to newly uncovered prototype blueprints. Flying small drones indoors or through dense foliage has always carried a high risk of collisions, especially for solo creators relying on hands-free tracking modes. The Neo 3 is rumored to feature tri-directional or even full omnidirectional obstacle sensing capabilities, utilizing ultra-compact vision sensors and time-of-flight depth cameras embedded directly into the outer protective shell. This means that as the drone follows you through tight forest trails, urban alleys, or indoor event venues, it can actively detect obstacles in real time, instantly adjusting its flight path or coming to a complete hover before a crash occurs. For beginners who are terrified of smashing an expensive piece of tech into a wall, this automated safety net provides unprecedented peace of mind during every single flight. Artificial intelligence tracking is another critical frontier where the Neo 3 is expected to set a brand new benchmark for the entire industry. Modern creators rarely fly with complex controller inputs when creating quick social media content. They want a drone that acts as an autonomous camera operator that follows them everywhere. Leaks reveal that DJI is incorporating an upgraded version of its AI active track technology, powered by a brand new internal neural processing chip. This system allows the drone to identify and lock onto subjects with extreme precision, even if they temporarily pass behind trees, vehicles, or outdoor structures. The AI continuously predicts movement trajectories, meaning if you're running, cycling, or skating, the camera keeps you dead center in the frame without jerkiness or lost tracking signals. Furthermore, one-touch quick shots like Orbit, Droney, Rocket, and Helix are said to feature smarter spatial awareness, making automated cinematic orbits safer and more dynamic than ever before. Transmission technology is getting a massive upgrade that addresses one of the most frustrating aspects of small drone operation: signal dropouts. There is nothing worse than watching your live video feed stutter, freeze, or cut out completely when your drone flies around a building or pushes past a couple hundred meters. Leaked internal documents suggest the Neo 3 will incorporate DJI's cutting-edge O4 or O4 Plus transmission system. This provides an exceptionally strong, low-latency live feed to your phone or dedicated remote controller across significantly greater distances, even in high-interference environments packed with Wi-Fi signals. Crisp 1080p live previews at high frame rates give pilots absolute confidence in what they are capturing in real time, eliminating guesswork and ensuring you never miss the perfect moment due to video lag. Versatility has always been key to DJI's dominant market position, and the Neo 3 appears designed to appeal to two completely different flyer demographics at once: casual vloggers and immersive FPV pilots. Reports indicate full cross-compatibility with DJI's latest FPV goggles and motion controllers. This transforms a simple palm-takeoff selfie drone into a thrilling, immersive acro-flying machine at the flick of a switch. You can cruise casually, Sing smartphone app gesture controls while shooting vertical videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels, or strap on high-definition goggles to dive down mountain cliffs or zip through narrow gaps in manual motion mode. Having a single device that satisfies both quick social media needs and high adrenaline FPV flying makes the Neo 3 one of the most versatile tools a creator could possibly own. Aerodynamic refinements on the drone's outer frame also show a clear shift toward quieter, more efficient operation. One common complaint about tiny drones is the high-pitched, buzzing noise their small propellers generate, which often attracts unwanted attention or disturbs people nearby. The leaked physical schematics of the Neo 3 reveal newly sculpted propeller blades combined with integrated duct prop guards engineered specifically to reduce acoustic whine and disperse airflow smoothly.